Hello, today I will show you how to use Sainsbury's gift card. What exactly Sainsbury's? Well, Sainsbury's is a major UK supermarket chain, officially called J Sainsbury plc. It sells groceries, food, clothing, household items, and more, both in physical stores and online. So let's start the main video. First, open Sainsbury's, make sure you are logged in. Now choose a product that you want to buy using gift card. After choosing product, click on Add, then click on Checkout. Now click on Redeem e-gift card. Now enter your e-gift card number that have 11 digits and 4-digit PIN. Then click on Redeem. Now let's talk about benefit of Sainsbury's. Well, it offers good quality groceries and everyday products at competitive prices, a wide range of choices including food, clothing, and home items, convenient shopping through physical stores and online delivery, frequent discounts and Nectar loyalty rewards, and reliable customer service, making it a trusted and convenient supermarket for regular household shopping in the UK. And that's it. Thanks for watching.